Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many of you attended Adobe?
Sir, somewhat better, sir.
Okay. Can you help me understand the question pattern?
They asked related to aptitude 10 questions, sir.
Okay.
And then uh, uh, about English
Verbal.
verbal, yes, sir, verbal.
Okay. What kind of questions in verbal, ma?
Like, mm, sir, each and every question they asked differently,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
One is meaning related, and then
Okay.
paragraph
Reading
questions.
comprehension.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
then
Fill in the blanks kind.
the blanks, and then indirect speech.
Okay.
They gave it that type,
Did
sir.
you get anything
Uh,
from idioms and phrases?
no, sir.
No. Okay. This is cognitively, yeah? 10 questions from aptitude, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And 10 from
And then
verbal.
yes. And then coding too. They related to coding programming, sir.
So that is another. I'm talking about only cognitive, that is 30 questions,
Uh,
yeah?
yes, sir. 10
So,
questions from verbal, 10 from aptitude, and 10 from uh, like it's. So, department wise, they give
oh, okay. So you can
that
choose your department. Let's say if you are from a mechanical department, you can choose mechanical, and then related to that, you will
related
get
to
questions.
yes, sir, they give related to physics like that. They
Okay,
give.
right. So how did you perform that cognitive round?
It's somewhat easy, sir.
Okay. How
Yes.
many Laya has attended? Who else? Vishal, did you attend the?
So
No,
this
sir.
it's
Uh,
only for girls, they said, sir.
Okay. How many of you attended? Anyone else?
because I don't even have a faintest idea what this is about, sir. So,
Okay. I didn't know, Vishal. I think it was restricted to women here, so
oh, okay.
sorry. I didn't have the idea on that as well. I thought it was for everyone. But I know there was an eligibility criteria, but I thought it was um, on the basis of marks and you know the CGPA or whatever. I didn't realize that it was on the basis of gender. Sorry, Vishal. Sorry, I asked you.
Yeah, that's all right.
Right. So, anyone else, Laya, in this slot? Anyone else who attended along with you?
I think no, sir.
Okay. So, cognitive is 10, 10, 10. What's the next? Programming, la?
Oh, yes, sir. Programming.
Is it pseudo programming, pseudo coding, or you know?
They gave direct programming, sir.
Okay.
They just gave input, sir. We
Mm,
should write coding that.
okay. So that was easy as well.
Time limits.
So that was a problem.
It's it's not enough.
Oh, it was not enough. Okay. How many questions there? Programming.
Last round, that was only two
Two
questions,
questions. Two
sir.
questions, right? And what is it? The second round in between.
Um,
There's one more round, yeah? No?
yes, the questions.
Don't remember.
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. Makale, where are we in terms of 2, 2, 3? After a long gap, we have a session. I think 2, 3 weeks. When did we have our last session?
So probably like 3 weeks back, sir.
3 weeks back. Right. So again, I'll listen to you guys. Let me know uh, what is that we need to discuss today. Whichever topic that you bring in, we'll discuss that. It's open to you guys to decide. So we'll go to everyone and ask. Okay, we'll start with Madhusudan. Madhusudan, can you hear me? 6037. Madhusudan, can you hear me?
Sir, he's messaging, sir.
Okay. Dhanush, go ahead. What do we discuss today? Even if it is more than one topic, I'm fine. ஏய் நான் என்ன வேறு ஏதாவது தப்பாக தான் கேட்டேனாடா?
இல்லை சார், யோசிக்கிறேன் சார்.
என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சால் தானே சார் கேட்குறது, ரைட்? ஓகே.
idioms டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாமா?
வேர்பல் போகலான்றீங்களா?
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே. அது நம்ம டாப்பிக்கில் we have to look at if it is there. But anyways, we'll discuss that. Any other option? Okay. I have sent 3 files in our group. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Right. It's all for idioms. Do one thing. Find answers for it. Write it in a piece of paper. Take a photo and send it in the group. All of you. Only 8 are there. 8, 9, 10 I think. 11 I think. Yeah. So please look at it and then answer. Once I receive the answers, we will again meet in the session and then we'll discuss those answers. Sounds good?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please answer. Everyone must answer. I know who all have joined the session, so at least you guys will have to respond. Others will take care of in other ways. Shariya? Okay. Proceed. Start answering. You don't have to be in the call right now. Once you finish, all of you send it, we'll join again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks.